is my last 2 days here in Borjuman. And this is my manager, my good manager, and my good friend. Oh my God, I will leave this guy.
I will cry. I'm going.
I will not forget this guy.
Really?
Don't worry, I will buy shawarma tomorrow. Inshallah. See this face? And me.
I want the mirror. Bring me.
Take picture from the mirror.
For us.
See this?
What's it?
My carbon friend. And my manager. Oh. No. This one. Lalagay ko sa YouTube, pre. Ang dami ko ng video doon. Naalala mong tununan kita dito? Sa YouTube yun. Yun nga.
Chi, thank you so much. Thank you for
Run!
all your hard work. Inshallah.
Inshallah.